Meanwhile, TVJ News has been informed that the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division and the Financial Investigation Division are also investigating the allegations of impropriety at the Ministry of Education. It's understood that the probe started after a woman was picked up 2 weeks ago when she attempted to withdraw large sums of money at a financial institution in New Kingston. She was questioned by CTOC detectives and released.
And the Jamaica Teachers Association is expressing shock and surprise at Mr. Reid's resignation. JTA President Garth Anderson says he wants greater details about the circumstances which led to the sudden resignation.
Of Education, we feel that it is such an important ministry that we cannot afford to have any alleged mismanagement taking place, and we hope that the matter will be resolved quite quickly. And very soon a Minister of Education will be named to continue setting policy and get the business of education going.
When asked about the alleged mismanagement of funds in the sector in a time when teachers have been campaigning for higher wages, Mr. Anderson said he is just waiting until investigations have been completed.
Like the rest of the country, as an association, we are awaiting to get precisely what is it that would have led the Prime Minister to take this decisive action. Clearly he has more information and we are awaiting that. So we don't want to cast any judgment on the resignation until we have all the facts.
To more details now about the politically connected persons employed at the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU. Documents obtained by TVJ News show that the person being referred to by the opposition is Othniel Lawrence, the former Member of Parliament for St. Ann Northwestern. The documents show Mr. Lawrence has been employed as an advisor to the CMU since April 1, 2018. $5.1 million is his listed salary, with Mr. Lawrence eligible for a gratuity of up to 25% of his salary as long as he's employed continuously for at least 2 years. Now, it's believed the hiring of Mr. Lawrence is connected to Real Reid's attempts to represent the JLP in St. Ann Northwestern. Mr. Lawrence wanted to return to representing the party in that constituency. Now, efforts to contact Mr. Lawrence for a comment were unsuccessful. TVJ News also tried to contact the president of the CMU, Professor Fritz Pinnock, but his phone rang without an answer.